Hey, it's Andre, and this is the Hangar RC Wasp, about to take off and have some fun. Hope you enjoy the flight. That's it. Okay. Test the wind that way. Perfect. Hopefully the canopy stays on. Alright. Half throttle, nice throw, full rate. Woohoo! Alright. Hangar RC Wasp. And the Canada 150 logo trim. Sorry about the sun, it's just this time of year. But the onboard should be nice. Oh, yes. Still got a little trimming to do, I find. But getting used to this airplane every time. Probably reacting a little to that camera weight. The sun really doesn't help me. I'm still climbing, so I'm gonna dial the elevator down a little bit, but as I just get used to the terms of this aircraft and what it likes, and I find the orientation with the glare a little crazy, but not bad. Hey Joe. Slowing it down, see how it does in slow flight. Look, it's a little anemic on the ailerons, I find. There's a big word. Or not. I'm running 100% throw and 30% expo. And it's one of those things where I notice the wind. Try and get a little low pass here. I will say, this style of aircraft, the shape of the silhouette, you've got to watch your orientation, and that's why the RCAF, the Royal Canadian Air Force, paint the fake canopy underneath their F-18s as a strategic advantage in combat, close quarter combats. I've got my timer set for 5. I've actually never run this airplane down, so I'm not going to push it too much. Again, big 1400 kV motor, 10x7 prop. Nice! Hope that turned out. I probably don't have my timer set to alert because this is a new model on my radio. Yes. One more little pass and then we'll land. Swap batteries, switch the camera. Woo! Look at that beautiful thing. All right, landing time. I want to check this pack. Still feels like I got plenty of punch. And that sun, I really do apologize. Next flight I'll turn my back. No. Okay. Bringing her in, let her settle in. Not fly into you. Nice, smooth. That was great. Wasp, that was a 4-minute flight. We'll get the battery checker out here and have a look-see. That was awesome. Canopy stayed on too. I put some hot glue on that after the maiden flight. That helps stick it down. All right, let's see what that pack did. Feels good. Doesn't feel, well, a little bit warm, but these are older. And, all right, that is definitely a sub 4-minute aircraft. All right, I'll reset my radio. Woohoo! Getting a little more sporty as I get used to it. Oh, the sun is right in my eyes the entire time, but whatever. Oh yeah. Cool plane. Oh, look at that shape and look, and gotta respect this one though. Have to really respect this thing. It's keep on your toes and fly it nice, but I'm always watching orientation, especially till I get really familiar with it. But it feels really nice in this pack. Okay, that was my beep warning, so I'm going to bring this thing in now. I just cruise right on through the trees. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Hey, it's Andre, and you've just watched the flight of the Hangar RC Wasp. Finally out, having some fun with it. Really nice airplane, still getting used to it, but really enjoying it. I'm gonna keep pushing the envelope with it and keep tweaking and setting so it's perfect in the way I want it, because I'm really enjoying the look of it. Gotta watch the silhouette in the sky, but once you're comfortable with this thing, wow, low, fast, everything. It even slows down really well. I'm Andre, Hangar RC Wasp. Thanks for watching. Whoops. That was me. Got her a little bit more throw. I'm all paranoid after that one bad launch. Yeah, got a little mud and gunk on her. Oh well. Woohoo!